You know what time it is? Time to dump out a box and see what we have. Oh! I just got nailed with packing peanuts. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Oh, and I got a pen! Yay! Tina Consoles, ROTORUP for all your PEZ needs. Give her a call or visit www.snowcrest.net/Tina. Awesome! I'm going to have to write me down some ideas with that. Alright, need to dig a hole. Alright, so what I bought from Tina, I got me some skulls. I'm going to send those to someone that has a huge army, a horde of skulls up in Michigan. I hope he appreciates them. There's a dozen of them here. Oh, and look at this. Pandas! Just wait until you see what I'm going to do with these pandas. That is going to be a lot of fun. Set these aside here. Oh, I'm not a fan of tape on the bubble wrap. Really not. Oh, wait, there was a way. Oh, look at this. All right, now this is a Halo card. The Halo card has this white area here. And when your PEZ dispenser is turned the other way where it's facing you, it kind of looks like it has a halo around it. Therefore, it is the Halo card. This particular dispenser is a European release. And it is not like these pandas here, but like this panda here with a whistle. And it's not punched through. Very cool. You gotta check the candies on these, push on them, make sure they're hard. If you're gonna buy them, ask the seller if you can push on the candies first. You also want to make sure that in this area there aren't any stains or melted candies either. Very cool. And, ooh, oh, there's two in here. Interested in finding out what it is. Oh, I know what that one is. Can you see it? Now this is Woodstock with feathers. Let me take his rubber band off. That's a good idea when shipping these, putting the rubber band on there to prevent curling. Yeah. And it wasn't too stressful either. Yeah, push on the candy. Yep, good candy. Can't beat it. Some good candy. So here we see the back of the Tweety card. Or not Tweety, but Woodstock. As you can see, both of these dispensers are on the Halo cards. Now, this Woodstock does have the printing on it. This is the printed feathers version. The other ones are just completely yellow there with no printing. Look at that, the dispenser's open in the pack. That's cool. Thought the head was down a little bit. Then you see this one where the head is pushed down flush against the stem. This one's kind of sticking out. Is that an error? I don't know. But I do know this. We can read that little guy right there. See the 5? European release because there is no made in country here. But this 5. Is this a 5? Hold on, I gotta pull this away. It looks like a 5, but the mark there, it kind of dulls it. Focus. I can't tell. Yeah, the video may... I apologize. But yes, it is a 5. And then when we look over here, another IMC5. But this is a reverse IMC5 on the Scrooge, which means the injection mold company code is on the back side, as opposed to the patent side, like Woodstock here. So there you go. Woodstock has his feathers. And this Pandal has his whistle. And someone in Michigan will have their skulls. So until next time.